Hello, this is Ihab again, and this is a recap for the NoAi protest round 2 for today. And today I have an agenda, so I would be, as usual, straight to the point, but because there are many things that I want to cover, I figured I would just put it in writing, and also you get to know the things that I'm going to talk about, so maybe if it's not something that is new to you, you don't have to listen to me talking about them. I will also add some links in the description in my video. So the first thing I want to talk about info and links and credits in my recent post. So here is my recent post, and I've added some information here. I've just posted it a while ago, and some information here which I will mainly copy them also on this video, and probably I'll add some more. Next point would be giving credit to the person who actually illustrated the image that we have been sharing, right? So that's very important. Otherwise, we could potentially, of course, with good intention, be doing the same thing as scraping art. But of course, when you do something like this and share it, I'm pretty sure they're okay with it. It's probably something that they appreciate, that people are sharing it, but it's really important to give them the credit. So Alexander Nanitchkov is the person who actually illustrated this artwork that we've been sharing, and today we have round 2. So I haven't made my version of it. I do want to make my version of this round 2. Third thing I want to mention is these two guys here, Nickolas and Imogene. Nickolas is the person who started this protest, and per his statement on one of the articles, he mentioned that he saw the protest first shared by Imogene. Obviously, she's a fantastic costume designer, so this is what sparked for him, you know, his desire to pursue his passion of calling this out, and obviously he was a very positive impact. You know, giving him credit, and I'm gonna share, like, you know, go and follow him. He's a fantastic artist, obviously, and he did share 3 articles that I'm gonna also briefly show you here, but you'll have the links for them. So make sure you follow him. And I also want to talk about this post by Frye, I guess his name is. The statement that ArtStation has posted yesterday, I'm not sure if they have updated it today, but it's not going to be fundamentally different. So he did talk about the things that are you know, important to talk about, because if taken with good intention, like when I was reading the statement that ArtStation posted yesterday, you know, I was taking things with good intention, and I think that's important. But also, the problem is that anyone with bad intentions can take advantage of what is taken with good intention and twist it in a way that they get away with whatever they want. Meaning, Frye here stated, "We encourage you to be transparent in the process." So yeah, how are you going to encourage, right? What are you going to do? Like, you know, give them a bad grade? Or you're not going to be taking down the posts, because obviously this is not harsh of a language enough to make people really obligated to be transparent. The other things that he talked about here are also important. Like ArtStation, you say you want transparency, whereas AI. So yeah, right now people are just sharing work and claiming it's their work, which is something I mentioned yesterday. And there is no checkbox for it, so you can claim whatever you want as if it's your own original work, right? And to make things even worse, there are examples that you can find on ArtStation where people, and this is actually brought to my attention by one of the people who commented on my videos, there are people who are actually selling artwork that is made with AI, by AI, and they're pretty much selling it for references. One of the ones that I saw was robotic or mecha creatures, and you buy the package for some money and whatsoever. So it's not even their work. and to sell it as if they have the copyright for it. Yeah, it's very important that there should be a checkbox for it, and then therefore it would be categorized as AI. Otherwise, there's no transparency. And here he mentions, then you say, this is, I think, very important. And again, if taken with good intentions, that's great whatsoever. But when you actually think about it critically, it's a huge thing. Then you say, Frye said or wrote, that people can only post work that they own. Do you even research the law regarding this new medium, right? AI generated art has no owner. And here, let me show you this in case you're not aware of it. This has been posted a while ago, like since March this year. US Copyright Office rules AI art can't be copyrighted. And if you think about it, it extremely contradicts with the statement of ArtStation that, hey, as long as it's yours, feel free to share it. Well, what is the definition of yours? It's a big thing, right? Okay, so going back to my agenda here, Frye, the articles that Nickolas shared. So here are the articles that Nickolas shared on his post. And in this article, actually, I got to know about the illustrator Alexander, who designed the protesting image, and about Imogene, and the fact that Nickolas has started this. So in my book, he's a very important person for us at this point, at least, and also as an artist, that it shows how valuable he is to us as a community of artists. Here's another link that he shared, and here's another one. And I'm seeing these posts that refer to the 7 fingers or more than human fingers, right? So it's kind of like a poetic way to illustrate the protest. Also, another one of the comments that I got on my videos, that someone stated that apparently in the very beginning, ArtStation did try and take down some of the posts from the protesters. So this is very important to know, because that shows their lack of transparency, maybe in haste. Like sometimes, you know, they are humans, so they could make mistakes. It's very important to remember they're not AI, right? But it's very important to know, and it's something, you know, in a way that they owe apologies to the people that they took their posts down. And the last thing I want to say here is that ArtStation, now if you upload your work, here's my drawing, and let's say I want to make sure that AI doesn't steal anything from this drawing, they have added this. So in the tags, you type in NoAi. I don't think you need to make it capital or small letter, but NoAi. And that is going to opt you out of having AI to use your images as part of their process of generating supposedly quote-unquote new original work, right? All right, so this was the update that I have for today. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching and listening.